My name is Sydney Wall. I'm chairman of the board of the Cutter Center for the Boys and Girls Club. My role here at the Cutter Center for the last 2 years has been as chairman of the board. And during that time, it became evident to us that we had increasing operating costs due to our utility bills. And one of the things that became very evident is with this wonderful big building that we have and the wonderful vistas and windows that we needed to look into some way to mitigate the operating costs that we had. We had a member of our board, Trish Lyerla, who is a 3M employee.
Hi, I'm Trish Lyerla. I work for 3M. I work in the web processing division. And our project here at the Boys and Girls Club in Pass Christian began with our New Orleans sales connection. We fell in love with the children here, the facility here, and we saw the need for window film because of the high energy bills and the heat.
The building is large, it's 28,000 square feet. It faces west, so the afternoons when we have our children here was the warmest part of the day.
Bills are substantial because of the glass, all of the glass we have here, and in the deep south, hot days and high humidity add to that heat.
Then contacted SPF and said, could you come give us an estimate?
My name is Ty Sullivan. I'm the Vice President of SPF Window Tinting in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. We are here at the Boys and Girls Club of America, where we were brought in about a year ago to help them address some issues they were having with heat and glare. Initially, we were brought in with Sydney Wall and the other directors to do an initial survey of the building to see what we could do about the solar heat gain that they were having and the amount of glare that was coming in and some of the possessions fading out.
Our goal with getting the window film, if we could save 10% per year over the next 2 or 3 years, we would see a huge cost savings.
We contacted Ty and SPF and have had a wonderful relationship going since then. It quickly became evident that we needed the entire building done, that although we were reducing some costs by the original installation, that it was important to us to have the rest of the building done.
If we could lower the cost of the HVAC system and the electrical bills at this building, then that would free up money that they could contribute back to servicing the children that come to the center to use it for that reason. So it's very important for us to try to achieve all of those things. And along with lowering those monthly power bills, we would also be creating the initiative for the film to be paying for itself as time went on.
So we went back to Ty, who has been most wonderful in the dialogue and keeping us informed as to what we needed and coming back out and remeasuring and making sure that what we needed was what we could perhaps afford to do.
This building is very unique in its design, having hundreds of different windows of all different shapes and sizes, varying from 30 feet in the sky or 30 feet in the air to 30 square feet in size. So as a window tinter, showing up to this place, I mean, it was great. This is a dream come true for us to really highlight how far we've come and our profession. Not only do we get to showcase our product's ability, but we get to showcase our ability. And it was just an overall dream come true. I mean, it's a pleasure for us to be able to come in and provide a solution with 3M film for the Boys and Girls Club of America.
We look forward to enjoying our building in the way it should be enjoyed and certainly recommending SPF and 3M film to anybody else in the future.